All right, round 3, little water. Now we're heading through St. Louis Park. We're gonna go across Highway 100. That's where that pumpkin ball player, Seeley, I think his name, was murdered by a drunk driver, going the wrong way. And I videotaped that park a couple years ago. When you get across there, it's a kind of a cool little, one of the last of the lilac. It's called Lilac Park. Honeycombs. It's one of the last parks that has those. So built some up. Skippy Peanut Butter and coffee company used to be on the left here. But Skippy Peanut Butter was in St. Louis Park. There was a sports guy right here that sold out. So they have a lot of apartments here, hoping they'll drive the socials train. It's too much work. Oh man. Now it's kind of downhill a little bit. We're going across 100 here. With this new bridge over here. Yeah, he was murdered by a drunk driver going the wrong way. So the Lilac Park, which I videotaped, it's kind of a fun little video. It's back in the archives. These to my left. Kind of cool. Cedar Lake Regional Trail, that's what it's called. Then you got Nordic Wear. They're kind of cool. They do some fun stuff. So now there's a big, I got a hump up here. Big ass bridge. To get up and over, Rover. They could have done a tunnel, but I guess. All right, here we go. So let me cross over Rover. Up the hill we go. Two girlfriends out walking together. Good for them. Oh. To your right there's open spots for apartments. Nordic Wear is on my right, my left. Their main office. They'll probably put apartments. Another mug station right here. Skippy Fields to the left. It's called Beltline Boulevard Station. Big empty spot to the left. They'll probably put someone there later. And also an office building to my right. Probably take that out someday too as well. What goes up must come down, right? There's a lot of room to build over here apartments, which in time they will, I think. give tax breaks to build, so they have a built-in crowd to take the socialist train. It's just a nice trail. You can roller skate on it if you want. Hi, Bill. So in time, when money frees up, get some government special loans to be able to use this behavior. Music playing. I don't know how crooked it is or not, so it's kind of hard to say. All right, there we go. Yep. See, then they leave those things sitting there, those green things. They got to come and get them. Yeah, they're just kind of getting it. That's a railroad stuff there. Probably putting down tracks or something. Another station up here. I walked over here, walked that whole thing. So now we're gonna cruise over here. Kind of goes around. And I can also bike around Lake Calhoun and Lake Harriet. Whee! We're going under Lake, we're going to Minnetonka Boulevard. Paralleling the construction. Where all the money's being spent. Yeah, the construction tunnel. I videotaped it, walked it. It's pretty sad. Spent all that money in this tunnel. You didn't need to. It's dumb. A lot of money. Your money, our money. It kind of connects now back to it. Going to the Kenwood area, which is a little more wealthy area. Out with his dog. So, Sea Lake Trail detour. But anyways, we're gonna go over here by the Greenway now. All right. All right. We'll stop right here. We'll have a little water.